What's up, guys? It is Jim of All Trades. Sunday Night Charts. Welcome, welcome. Let's let everybody populate. Let me know if the music's too loud. I'll turn it down. It's nothing. It lives and breathes and it insists that it is something. It's something. It never liked to. How y'all doing tonight? We can look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, ADA. Look at DOT tonight. I'm short, guys. I'm short right now, but I'll talk about what I'm looking at. Is the music too loud for you? I gotta get pumped up. Man, I had a VPN on. I think that was the problem. And I updated OBS, so sorry about that, guys. Sorry I'm late. Technical difficulties. I'm trying to find you on my phone, but my phone's acting up. What is going on tonight with my... Stroll the doobie. Come on, man. Tad loud. Man, I turned it down. Oh, it's probably my mic. Picking it up out of my mic. Hey man, I'm going to be posting pretty often, Mr. Epsilon. Yeah, I'll be posting pretty often once I go full-time. I go full-time next week, guys. Next week. Not this week. I got one more week to finish my work. Full-time, probably be making daily videos or at least every other day. So I'll take care of you. But if you want 2 videos a day, 2 videos every day, come on and join me in the Discord. You get 2 videos every day, morning and evening, and stuff whenever we need it in the middle of the day as well. So, anyway, why are the whales selling? It's in the charts, man. It's in the charts. It's in the charts. The down move is in the charts. Now, we're going to talk about what we see, guys. Here's the plan for the night. Just to let you guys know, here's the plan. Thanks, BB. Appreciate it. Yeah, possibly, maybe Epsilon. This might be the dump I've been predicting. We'll see. We'll see. So let me tell you how tonight's going to go. I'm going to do heavy TA on Bitcoin. We're going to look at Ethereum. We're going to look at Litecoin. We'll look at ADA. We'll look at DOT. We'll look at Link. Okay? Yes, possible expanded flat for sure. I'll tell you what I'm seeing as well. Anyway, we're going to do the heavy TA on Bitcoin, and then I'm just going to do quick TA on Ethereum, Litecoin, Link, and ADA. Guys, I don't think I'm going to take chart requests tonight, but let's just do the TA tonight. I'm pretty tired. I need a night off a little bit, but I wanted to get you some TA, and we'll talk a little bit. I'll chat with you a little bit and see what's going on, and tell you how I'm trading it. I am currently short right now in Ethereum. I may be switching long here shortly. We'll see. This particular wave that's coming up looks kind of impulsive. Looking for a third wave to the downside. I'll tell you what I'm seeing just a minute. Okay, with that being said, don't forget, none of this is financial advice. I'm going to talk about financials, but I'm not going to tell you how to spend your money. Can't do that. I'm not licensed to do that. But here's what I will do for you. I'm going to tell you guys how I spend my money. Okay, so with that said, I hope that helps you guys. Let me make sure I just adjusted my camera, make sure it's okay. Looking OBS, looks good. With that said, let's jump in, see what Bitcoin's doing. All right, let's zoom out. I'm going to go really fast through this and try to make it quick. Okay, all right. So on the daily chart, guys, you can see that we have a very nice downtrend in the RSI. Take a peek at it. While we have an uptrend on the upside, we have a downtrend on the RSI. That gives you nice bearish divergence. We have triple bearish divergence. That's what I call that. When you see 3 peaks worth of divergence, guys, when you see triple divergence, look out. There's a down move coming. Let me show you the last time we had triple divergence, and you can see the down move that we had. Okay, triple divergence right there. 3 waves, boom. Triple divergence, and we got that down move there. Okay, now at the time that was a pretty big move at the time. Looking at the chart now, not that big of a move anymore, is it? All right, but we do have triple divergence. That means, guys, we're looking for probably a pretty big move down to the downside coming your way to a chart near you. It's gonna go down, maybe down, maybe up. I don't know. But I'm going to talk about how to look at the wave structure and see which way it might be going. There might be a little bit more room for some more upside. Another hit to the high. I'm going to talk about that as well. So anyway, with that being said, we're looking at, guys, we're looking at a 4th wave. We need, come on, no. We're looking at getting a 4th wave in, okay? In other words, it kind of looks, I mean, if you're using Elliott here, this might be 1, 2, and all of that's 3 up to here, and then we need a 4th wave. We need a 4th wave to the downside, okay? Guys, I got a phone call. Somebody's calling me twice now. Let me see what's going on. I'm just going to send a text and say... all right, so yeah, we're looking for a 4th wave down. I'm thinking this could be it that we're in. It's just an expanded flat, basically like this. Boom. Oh, sorry, it's something we talked about already. Boom. Come on. Boom, 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 like that. So it could be an expanded flat for a 4th wave, and then we go up for a 5th wave, and that would give us a nice wave structure right there. To finish that wave out, okay, and that would be like the top of the 3rd wave right there. So that's 1, 2, all of that would be 3. Once that finishes like that, we'd get a 4th wave down again, and then more upside eventually. Okay. Anyway, so that being said, that's kind of where we are. That's what we're looking for on the chart. Really, is that kind of a 4th wave. Okay. Now, with that said, let's go down a little bit and see where we are on this particular wave. 1 hour chart should do just nicely there. There we go. So we're looking at this wave here, and this kind of looks, it's really a tough wave, to be honest with you. You want to say it's kind of a diagonal, like a leading diagonal here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Or it's like a 3-wave move like that, WXY or something like that. That's where you have to do it if this is going to be a flat, because this is looking like it could be a 3-wave move. That comes right around the 1414 extension, and then we're looking for a 5-wave move to the downside. That would be a 3, 3, 5 expanded flat, basically an idea at least. Okay, so let's see if this is a reversal. Now here's the problem: this wave. Sorry, guys. I got somebody who's got a little bit of a neighborly emergency here. It's my neighbor. It's raining really bad. His sump pump is backing up into his basement. Dang, do I have a coupling? Excuse me, guys. 1 second. I'm really sorry. My neighbor's got an emergency. He's got water backing up in his basement, and let me just tell him. Really sorry, guys. Okay, there, we're back. We got a lot of rain behind us, guys, and my neighbor friend has got major water coming to his house. So, okay, back. Where were we? Okay, so we're looking at this wave as a possible ABC. Really sorry for that delay, guys, and there's gonna be another delay in just a minute. So anyway, this is a 3-wave move right here. ABC, boom. A, B, C, right there. It comes to the 1618. Here's the deal. It might not be. It may continue on to the upside, and it may be something bigger than that. So it may continue on. So that's what we're waiting to see. Are we getting a downside move now, or is this just a final wave fake out kind of deal to the downside that we just got, and then we get more upside to come? Okay, so that's where we are. But we are in the level of a flat. Okay, we're right in the expanded pocket. We have an expanded pocket retrace of the anywhere from the 1 to the 1618 of the retrace. So when I put the retrace tool on here, you'll see how right here this is what we call the expanded pocket right here between the 1-to-1 extension, the 123 and the 1618 in this range. This came right to my green line, which is where I expect expanded waves to come. So that's a possibility to play. So that's kind of what we're looking for, guys. Looking to see if this is 3 waves to the upside. I do have a finished count here. I got a 1, 2. Here's the 4th wave right there, 4. So it's 3, 4, and then this could be a finished 5th. And so that could be 5 finished waves, all done, complete, kaput, and that's an A, B, C wave complete. And this is what we have right here is the 1 wave to the downside, looking for a 3-wave pullback, and then we're going down. So that's kind of the way we're thinking about it. So let's zoom in a little bit closer now and look at this wave that just we got off of the top here. Okay, so this wave right here that just came down very likely is a what do we call it? Very likely a I got a trade working here, guys, too, so I'm watching it here. This wave right here is very likely the end of the 5th wave, and that we're actually working our way up impulsively, potentially. So let's talk about what that would look like here, guys. This could be a 1, 2. The 3rd wave might be here, 4, and then 5, or you could put the 3 back here. Either way, it's kind of looking like that might be the way this wave shape is coming. I pull the fibs on this guy. You can see how this one came down to the 1618 right in here, the 4th wave, and then we got the 5th wave down. So the wave that we have right now looks like it might be an impulse wave to the upside. And that means we have a finished 5-wave structure. What we might be getting now is some kind of a 3-wave pullback. Okay, getting a 3-wave pullback, and that's kind of what's at stake right now. if we get that three-wave pullback, that's going to be a potential short for you as long as it matches the criteria. Guys, that's what we teach in our trading group. What is the criteria that we're looking for that particular wave? What is that criteria? Well, it needs to be a three-wave structure. It needs to measure correctively, and it needs to have some hidden bearish divergence on that chart to take that trade. Okay. So anyway, that's kind of what we're looking at. This could be a fifth wave. Okay, what else could it be? Well, this could be. This might not even be finished. This might not even be finished the first wave. So in other words, we might get an extended wave. This might be part of an extended third wave. We're getting a pullback, and then like a big 1-2 here, and then further down. That's another possibility as well. The final possibility is that this could just simply be a three-wave pullback. It's finished. It's complete. It's done. Some kind of a three-wave move right there. It's ugly. It's really bad. I don't like it. I don't like this count, but it would take us up from there. So I don't like that count at all, but that's a possibility as well. So that's what we're looking at, guys. That's what's at stake. So the question is, where is it going to go from here? Where is it going to go? I don't know where it's going to go. I can't tell you where it's going to go, but I can tell you that if this is a five-wave move from the top, if that's a five-wave move, if that's an impulse, and it certainly looks like an impulse. It's kind of choppy, but it measures and counts like an impulse. If that's an impulse, then we're looking for three waves back, okay? If there's three waves back, that's your short region, and that's when you get the big wave to the downside. That comes out of nowhere, okay? So I would expect over tonight, tomorrow, if we're looking for a three-wave, it's going to be a lot of chop in here. It's going to be a lot of consolidation and chop in this range, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it's just going to fall off the cliff, and you're going to be like, what in the world? So that's if it's going down, okay? That's if it's going down. Come on, go down. That's if it's going down. If it's going up, guys, you should see an impulse. You should see this start impulsing up to the upside like that, getting above this wave, and on up we go. Okay, let's talk about the bullish scenario. So that's the bearish scenario where we kind of go down and we're looking for regions to finish this wave structure. Boom, 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 like that. We're looking for a five-wave move to the downside, okay? And this might be the beginning of it. And so that would be a big three-wave, and then we would get our bull run would return. Guys, that would be beneficial for the market if we got that kind of a correction. It really, really would. You might not like it. You may not want to sit through it, but the market needs a three-wave correction like that on that kind of time frame. In my opinion, the way it looks, and that's what I've been calling for a while, waiting for that move. Okay, now, what if it's bullish and, Jim, you're totally wrong? Well, here's how you'd have to interpret it. This basically is some kind of a three-wave move, and it's finished. It's done. Kaput. That wave is done. Now what? Now we're looking at a one-wave and a two-wave pullback, and we're in the middle of the third wave. Where does the third wave come? Well, it comes to the 1618, generally speaking. But the size of this wave, if it's going to be a third wave, it needs to be a lot bigger than this, most likely. Most likely, we would expect some kind of a pumpy pump to happen to get up here to the $73,000 range, guys, if it's bullish. So if we're looking bullish, there we go. Sorry about that. If we're looking bullish here, we're looking to get up here to 73K pretty easily, would be my guess. Most likely. Now, and that would basically be, we got a fourth wave in here, something like that, and then we get the fifth wave of the third. So that would be the fifth wave of the third pullback, and then one more wave to the upside. And that would give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that, getting up to 73 to 75K. Very likely, very possible if this wave is a bullish wave. So how do you know if it's a bullish wave or if it's a bearish wave? How do you know? Well, here's how you tell. Basically, you pull the fibs on it like I have them pulled here, and you watch the wave, okay? Right now, the wave has reversed, right, or at least given some rejection off of the 1414 extension. This is what we call what I call in my Discord, the corrective pocket, right here. Between 1 and the 1618, this is the corrective pocket of the fibs. In other words, a three-wave move often comes to the 1-to-1 extension, the 127 extension, or the 1414 extension, or even the 1618, and then will reverse and give you the continuation of the move, so you get the third move down, or like that. So that's what we're looking for, guys. We're looking to find out, are we going to get rejection here? Are we going to get rejection? Or right here, draw a line right there, or draw that trend line. If you get rejection of it, it's a pretty good idea. Maybe that it's going down, maybe. So if we get rejection of this area, guys, we're going down a lot lower. You should be targeting. Let me give you some targets to the downside before I go to the ultra. I've already given you the bull upside. The downside for the bear scenario, guys, is about 42K, 42.7, all the way down to possibly 37.5 in that region. So 37 to 40 to 47, I would say. 47 to 37, that's a range, but anyway, that's a corrective pocket right there. That'd be a corrective pocket. And it's not going to the abyss, guys. It would probably go up after that. If it gets really extended, it can come down to 37.5 or even lower than that and wick down to 30K, probably back down to this region right here. So I wouldn't be surprised to see some kind of a move like that. So there's a potentiality as well. Okay. So there we go, guys. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking at. I hope that helps you. I hope that gives you some ideas there for Bitcoin. Let's see what you guys are saying in the chat here. I'm going to pull this up. Wow, probably lots of chatting. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. I have the voice of a sports announcer. Okay. That's hilarious. 40K, maybe take some profits. Yeah, that's a possibility. 40K is a possibility, Fred Valez. But I can't say for sure. Hey, West Palm Beach, awesome. My wife's from Port St. Lucie, Brian. CLXT, what's up? Thank you. Floods don't wait for TA. That's right. He just knows I'm a contractor. I'm reading the old chat, guys. Yeah, my neighbor knows I'm a contractor. I've helped him out with stuff as well, and he knows I got stuff in my garage. So I told him to come look in my garage, search for what he needed. So yeah. You guys are asking me, are we going down? I can't answer that question. Are we going down? I can't really answer that. Is it likely to get there? Yeah. It's a likelihood for sure. Are we definitely going there? Can't say that for sure at all. I don't really know that answer. So. That's kind of where we are. Yeah, sorry, Ben. Sometimes I just kind of give what I'm seeing and make a quick video of what I'm looking at, and I don't have a chance to do everything. So, yeah, I'm glad you like that. Thanks, buddy. Yeah, I like that, Epsilon. That's right. We need this correction to get up higher for sure. We definitely need this correction to have any confidence see, there's a bunch of people like me that aren't confident in buying right now. So the buying is going to fizzle out, okay? The buying is going to fizzle out because there's a bunch of bears like me. I'm not really a bear. I'm bullish, but we need this correction, and I know the market needs it, and so that's kind of why I'm doing it. I'll definitely do ETH in just a minute there. Do I trade altcoins? Not really. I only trade top 10. I trade ETH. And that's that. Right now, that's my baby. I've been trading ETH a lot. Okay. Yeah, sour diesel. I don't answer those kinds of questions because I really don't know. I'm kind of an Elliott wave trader. I just go wave by wave and tell you what I'm seeing and where I expect it to go in the short term. And give you the big picture. So I can't tell you, but I don't think it's 100K. I don't know. I don't think it's going to be 100K by the end of 2021. But what do I know? I don't know anything, and nobody does. What's my opinion? Probably not. We'll probably get up to 75, 80K maybe, and then have a long fourth wave chop for a long time. Short-term projection, I'm kind of looking for the down. I mean, like right now, I'm looking for an up move. Basically to finish this out. Let's look at the small time frame right now. I'll show you the small time frame, what I'm kind of looking for right here in this wave. Bitcoin looks a lot different than Ethereum, actually, the way it's going up, the way Bitcoin's going up. So what you do here is you put your fibs on this thing. and you say, okay, it's going up. It's going to come up in here most likely and hit the 60K, 60,000 for 413, right? We just had this dump, and so the question is, what is that? What is that wave? Is that some kind of a fifth wave, and now we're going reversing and going up to the upside, or is it a one wave and we're getting a three wave pullback back to the one-to-one extension with continuation to the downside? Those are your two options, pretty much. I mean, at this stage, that's pretty much it. The other option could be that this is the beginning of an impulse right here. That actually could be the beginning of a five-wave move to the upside. Let me see. Shoot, that could be an extended fifth wave as well. This could be 1 through 4 with an extended fifth. We could come down in 3 waves and then go up in 5 waves again. And that would be basically a 3-wave correction of this wave and still go down. Okay? So that's a possibility, and that would kind of get everybody bullish. So that's kind of what I'm seeing there. Sorry, my chart's a little frozen. Let me see what's going on here. Oh, there we go. Looking at Ethereum right now. Sorry, it's hard to trade and do YouTube lives at the same time because it's a big trading moment right now for sure. All right, so yeah, this kind of looks like a 3-wave, but it could be a 5-wave move with an extended 5th wave. You could still get 3 waves down, and then it could go from there. So there's any number of things it could do. So it just depends on what you call this and how do you count this. So is this 1, 2 right here, and this 3, 4, and 5, and that means you're getting a 3-wave pullback to this region somewhere, 618, 50%, something like that, back up to this region right here, and then down we go for a continuation. Is that possible? Yeah, it's possible. In that scenario, we would be going down. Okay, that means we'd be going to 40K. Or is this just some kind of a 3-wave move? I don't even know how to count that as 3 waves, to be honest with you. It looks very 5-wave-ish. It looks very impulsive, even though it's choppy. But it's kind of a good 1 wave, to be honest with you. It's a pretty decent little 1 wave. So, but if it's 3 waves, okay, then you'd expect just this to start impulsing to the upside. And this would begin, start moving and getting out of Dodge. So I'm not sure which one it is right now. We'll have to wait and see which one it is and let the market do its thing. And we just need to be smart. You need a trading strategy. If you want to trade this market, you need a strategy on how to attack these waves. And that's what I teach in the Discord. A strategy built around the TA. We don't know. Guys, I don't know what's going to happen. I do TA, and then we develop a strategy around these waves so that we know when to enter and when to exit. Or when to look for exits potentially, but we stay out of trouble in our entries so that our trades can most of the time either be break even or take very little loss. That's the way we normally trade. We got a little underwater yesterday in our shadow trading group, but we got out of it. We traded our way out of it today, and it was nice. It was really good. We DCA'd up and traded our way out of it so that it was good to go. But we got a little underwater on that pump. Because we were looking for another down wave that we didn't get, and it kind of went up correctively, and anyway, we just kind of hung in there. It wasn't the best trade in the world, but we got out, and it was good. It was excellent. So, all right, so yeah, that's kind of where we are, guys. I can't tell you where it's going. I don't know. All I can do is say what's at stake right now. What's at stake right now is this wave. We got to see what's this wave going to do. So here's the way you think about it. If this wave is going to break this high right here, then we can rule out that this is some kind of a 1-2 to the downside. We can rule that out, okay, if we break the high of that. Why? Because the 2 wave cannot break the high of the 1 wave. So if it breaks the high, then what will it be? Well, it could simply be a 3-wave correction, okay, that comes on down, or it could be the beginning of an impulse that goes on up and to all-time highs, okay, which we'd be heading for that maybe a 72K range or something like that. That's a possibility, okay. There's any number of things. Now, Ethereum looks like it's about to. Ethereum just took back the entire down move that it just gave you. It just took it back. Now, it could be a flat. Man, does that work? No, I don't like it. I don't like that as a flat. Unless that's 3, 3, 3. No, I don't like that as a flat at all. Sorry, I'm just looking at something here on Ethereum. Trading it here. So yeah, so that's kind of where we are. That's what we're looking at as far as wave structure is concerned. Can't tell you what it's definitely going to do. I don't know. So I never know. I can just offer what I'm seeing and tell you where it could go from there. So let's see here. What other things are you asking? Yeah, Ben, glad you're here, man. And no, it didn't take me off at all, man, by the way. But we're not done because I called for a break of the high potentially. If you go back and watch every video of all that I said, you know, I offered the idea that we have a flat. We come up and break the high and then come on down from there. And that remains to be seen whether we go up or down. So glad you came back. I'm not mad at all. So anyway, you just got to understand you haven't won the contest yet, buddy. The contest remains to be seen. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Ben, you need a little bit more humility in your position, though, okay? And what I want you to see is, I want to hear, but I could be wrong. I want to hear that at the end, because everybody, no matter how strong you think of anything, you don't like how strong I think it's going to go down, right? So I don't like to hear how strong. No, it's definitely, we're done. It's going up. So make sure that you're equally as humble with your opinion as well. I would just say that to you, buddy. All right. Yeah, I'm in a position. Tarmo, I sure am. I'm short in Ethereum. But I may be getting out of it. I got to see what this wave is going to do first. Let's see. Just reading the chat here. Thanks for giving the like. I appreciate it. Fred, appreciate it, man. Thanks, Crypto Gizmo. Hey, just back it up, Mario. All you got to do is rewind it. You're good to go. Last 15 minutes, most important. All you got to do, Mario. Market needs to get to the chopper. No, we need to jump out of the chopper. Ben, I know all the reasons, bro. I really know all the bullish side, but you need to say, but I might be wrong. I want to hear that. I might be wrong. Just type it for me. I could be wrong. I think it's going up, but I could be wrong. Please say that, and that'll make me happy. Yeah, how do I decide? I use Tarmo. I basically my tools are wave structure and the RSI. Okay. BTC and ETH bull flag, maybe ban, but it's a little bit big for a bull flag. Bull flags are really like fourth waves. Okay, so probably not. I'm still waiting, Ben, to hear that. I could be wrong. I think it's going up, but I could be wrong. Come on. I am such a dad. You're right. I'm totally a dad. But I just can't stand people coming here and be so... They're telling me that they don't like my opinion because I'm too strong-headed about a particular opinion, yet they're equally as like saying you're wrong, as if they know what's going to happen tomorrow. They have no concept of what's going to happen tomorrow. And that's the thing that bothers me. So let's just be equal with that, Ben, and I'll be happy, buddy. Come on. I'm still waiting for the comment. Still waiting for it. I think it's going up, quote unquote, but I might be wrong. Seth, that's amazing. I love it. Well played, sir. Well played. Come on. Come on. Ben, I might be wrong. Come on. Say it. Say it. Say it. All right. If I just quoted somebody. I said, say eight. Happy 8 day. So if anybody can tell me where that's from, you get a free week in the Discord. If you're not part of the Discord, if you're part of the Discord, do not answer it. You get a free week in the Discord for free. Come on in, and if you can tell me who said that, say eight. Happy 8 day. Did you get some 8? If you can tell me that, you're my friend. Ben left. I think Ben Mamrud is gone. Oh, there he is. Oh, hey man, we're friends, Ben. I did the other day. Chemo. I did the other day. You didn't watch the video, must because I said the very next day when I drew my what I thought I said the very next day I was wrong. So man, you didn't watch the video. You just told on yourself. I love it, Ben. We're friends. That's good. Well said, sir. Well said. Move on and do vet. Yeah, no, I'm chilling, man. This is a chill time, having some fun with you guys. But hey, who said say 8? Nobody knows this? Oh my! Come on, tell me where that's from. I just quoted it, just like he said it. Yes! C137. You have won the prize, sir. You have won the prize. Free week in the Discord, my man. Here's what you need to do. Send me, yes, Brian Regan, you got it. Gem of all trades 7@gmail.com. Boom. Send me an email, C137, and let me know. Tell me your name now. So I can recognize you, so somebody else doesn't like pretend to be you. And yeah, let me know your name. No, man, that's not gonna work. How are we gonna do this, man? Well, I'm just gonna have to trust. If I get multiple emails, we'll just let God decide. So yeah, you get a free week in the Discord. Send me a link. You're my friend. You know Brian Regan, my favorite comedian. So there you go. Well done, sir. Well played, sir. Well played. Hey, I might give another free Discord week in the Discord to somebody watching. You never know. I might pull out a quote from something, and if you know what that quote's from, you might get a free week in the Discord. So listen up. Rick Sanchez, you must know C137. YouTube direct message. How do you do that? Van Hammer, am I looking for a short or a long? Well, you know I'm looking for a short. I'm looking for a short around here, buddy. Go back and watch the TA on Bitcoin if you missed it. Let's look at Ethereum and see what's going on with Ethereum, okay? All right. Now, what we got here was interesting. We got an impulse down right here, okay? We got an impulse. And then it looks like we got another impulse up. It didn't break the high. It's really interesting shape there. Trying to understand what that shape is. It is possible that this is a flat right here. Okay? And that's a flat, but it doesn't make sense because it's the wrong direction. It's the wrong direction of a flat. In other words, that flat should have corrected. This should be the flat here. And then, yeah, I guess, and that's the fifth wave. So that could be the fifth wave. But the problem is that fifth wave did not break the low there. So chances are that's a truncated fifth wave. I don't know. That's a pretty interesting, and we're looking at small time frame, guys, because the TA for Ethereum is just like Bitcoin in the larger time frame. We're looking for a fourth wave to finish. Just to give you some context here, quick. C137. Don't forget to email me at jimofalltrades7@gmail.com, and I will get you into the Discord tonight after the Discord. Okay, you'll be in there tonight. One free week. All right. So with that being said. Right here, we got a wave there, guys, and this looks super corrective. This looks super done too. 5-wave move looks like it's finished. Okay, came right to the 127. Can't be any better. I mean, just can't get any better than that. Almost tagged the 1414. So I really like that a lot. I really do. So it really looks like it's a good play. I mean, like to potentially go short in this region, but you got to know where to enter. I'm not just telling you to go short now. That's not smart at all. You need to know where to enter enter the trade, okay? So you have low risk, because you might be wrong. I might be wrong. It might be going up from here, right? I don't know, but when you enter trades, you enter at low risk zones where it's a high probability, low risk, and that's what we learn in the Discord. So if you're not part of the Discord, you want to learn that stuff, guys, I'm going full time after this week of work. So you might wait till April. If April, we're right in the middle of the month. So Patreon will actually charge you for this month and then charge you in 2 weeks again for the month of April. So they don't prorate the month. They charge you no matter what day in March you join for the first. I don't change it. The only thing I can do is give refunds, which I do on occasion, like when somebody signs up on the last day of the month or the last 2 days of the month. I'll just refund the payment and give them the 2 days for free, right? But anyway, so that being said, you might wait. I mean, you could come now. It's good value. But listen, in 2 weeks, not this week, but next week, I go full time. I'm going to be Jim of All Trades Discord 2.0. We're going to be just ramping it up. I'm going to be a full-time Discord manager, basically as my job, and I'm teaching people how to trade, giving information like this every day. Two Discord lives every day, teaching in different groups. There's going to be office hours where you can ask questions and learn, watch YouTube videos that I've created for learning Elliott Wave. It's just a great learning environment. It's an educational Discord where you actually learn how to trade. I do have a Signal group that's a really high tier. If you want to be a part of that, that's really hands-on learning to trade as we trade. That's a very hands-on thing. I invite you into that as well. But it'll be so much better once I go full-time. Really excited about it, but I'm finishing a bathroom, guys. I'm finishing my last job, and it's a bathroom, and I'll be done on Friday. Lord willing, I'll be all finished, and I'll have some happy customers, and then I'll be able to, just go out and celebrate with my family maybe next weekend that I'm done, and then we can move on to bigger and better things here, trading in this world, doing YouTube. Guys, you'll get YouTube videos more often, but I still going to be busy with the Discord, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, all right, so there it is. Let's see. Going up from here, what? Giorgio Patrica. Would you please say with that? But I might be wrong. Just want to hear that. I think this, but I could be wrong. I love to hear. Go to Mars. I hear you. Tarmo, I don't have time to mess with altcoins right now, but once I go full time, I'll probably look into it for sure. So yeah. All right. So Ethereum, what are we looking for? We're looking for I'm looking for that wave, guys. I want to see this wave down to 1,200, maybe even 1,000, guys. I want to see that. I want to see that wave come on down. That'd be a nice reset, and then, boy, the bulls would come in to buy that up so fast, so fast. So I'd like to see that. Maybe not. That may or may not happen. The direction might be up from here, okay? But here's the deal. This doesn't look like a 3-wave move. That looks like a 5-wave move to me. So you'd have to come up with some kind of way that that looks like 5 waves. That looks like 3 waves. I'm looking for 5 waves down, okay? The only way that this 5 waves is finished is if for some way that this was the correction, and then we're going up from there. It's a running correction. Possible. That is a possibility. I don't like it, but it's a possibility for sure. All right. So anyway, so now looking for that down wave in Ethereum, 10-minute chart. Let's look at the small wave and see what's going on. Let's go to the 3-minute chart just to look at this wave right here. All right, so what is this wave? See, this looks like an impulse right here. Whenever you get a candy cane shape and then one more wave to the upside, that's 5 waves, okay? You say, where's the 5 waves? Well, you can't see the 1, 2, but the 1, 2 are right down here in this big long candle. All right, in this wave action right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm looking for a 3-wave move, something like that, to come down, retest the low, and probably another wave to the upside after that, I would guess. So if that happens, guys, if I see that, I'm going to look for 3 waves back and look for a long temporarily, because this looks like an impulse wave, definitely. This could be the end of the 5th wave move of Ethereum. and then this could be the beginning impulse of the next wave system, a next 3-wave to the upside. That would be a 3-wave correction, basically, of this major wave. So we got 5 waves down, the ends here, 3 waves back to the 1618, the 50% or the 618 extension, or retrace, I should say. Pull the retrace on that. Very possible right there. See how that 3-wave shape gets you right here to the golden pocket, and then possibly after that, boom, down we go after that. So that's kind of what I'm looking for on the very small time frame, 3-minute buys, guys. That's the kind of analysis you're going to get on a daily basis in the mornings and in the evenings, where I'll just look at the wave shape, tell you what I'm expecting to see or what could happen for the day, and you have ideas for every day, morning and evening, okay, and throughout the day, especially as I go full time. So I'm expecting a 3-wave down to come retest this area, and then another wave to the upside. That's what I'd be expecting out of this wave shape right here. Something like that. So let's see if we get that wave. If we get this wave right here and it looks right, gives me a good 3 waves back, okay, it measures correctively, it looks like it should look, then I'm going to look to take a long and trade that wave to the upside. That's a nice trade right there. And then I'm going to be looking to reverse it to go short for a big time short if that becomes 3 waves like that. Now, there's more to say. There's more that could happen, but I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. There's Ethereum. That's what I'm looking for there. Look at Litecoin. Guys, Litecoin looking the same way. Looks like we got a 5-wave move off the top. Boom, 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 boom. 5 moves right there. Got a 3-wave pullback. Looks like a reversal. Looking for a 3-wave pullback, and down we go. That's what I'm looking for, okay? So everything's looking good, guys, for that ABC, okay? Especially the Litecoin chart. The Litecoin chart looks really good for that to happen, okay? Let me double check something really fast here. Yeah, I really like that a lot. Excellent. Yeah, that looks really good. So, yeah, we got an impulse off the top here, guys. It's not 3 waves, it's an impulse. So we got boom, 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 boom. There's 5 waves right there. It's not just a boom, boom, boom. It's a boom, 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 boom. Okay, it's a 5-wave move. Then we got what's a 3-wave move back to the 127 region, and it looks like we got a reversal off that region. Okay, looks like we got a reversal off that region. It's actually in the RSI. In the RSI has already broken in Litecoin. The Litecoin chart is the best chart out of all the ones I've looked at right now. Looks like Ethereum's pumping here, but I think it's just going to reverse, most likely. Give us a down move here shortly. So let's see if we get it or not. Oh, hey, my neighbor's here. Hold on one second, guys. Okay, I told my neighbor where to find the plumbing fittings in my garage. All right, so yeah. Anyway, yeah, so where was I? Litecoin chart. The Litecoin has already broken the RSI to the downside, guys. It really looks good for our ABC to the downside. I'm pretty convinced we're going to come down for that ABC. I know some of you bears are thinking no, but I'm pretty convinced that move right there. I think it has a good chance of happening. Now, whether it happens or not, I can't say, but there's a lot of reasons why I believe that's going down. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for there. I'm trying to get the TA out to you quickly, guys. Let's see here. Small time frame. Look at this wave off the top here. I haven't looked at it really. Pull the fibs here. First wave, second wave. Yeah, that's an impulse all day long, guys. I mean, it just looks super impulsive. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 3 down here. This was 4 and that was 5. Now you got an impulse off the bottom, guys. Once this impulse is finished, looking for a three-wave correction once this impulse is done. Looking for a three-wave correction and then another upside. That's going to give you a three-wave pullback. There's your entry for the short. Take the short after all that plays out. Wait for that. You can even take your profits around there if you get that three-wave. Now, that's not financial advice. That's how I trade. Now, there's things you got to be looking for to validate or invalidate that move, but that's what we'd be watching for as a scenario. Okay, let's see. I said I wanted to look at ADA tonight, so let's look at ADA quickly. Well, ADA hasn't, it's really been coming down, hasn't it? Let's see. 8-hour chart. Yeah, 8-hour, there's lots of bullish divergence here, okay? So on the 8-hour chart, there's hidden bull here. But what will probably happen here, let's see. I'm not sure how this is going to go, but it looks like it needs a little bit more down to me. This could be a three-wave down. So if we measure ADA down here, yeah, it came right to the one-to-one extension. That's nice. So what we're looking at with ADA is we got a three-wave move right here. Boom, right there. Then I guess this is a three-wave move. It's just kind of truncated. It doesn't look great, but it is what it is, right? Let's measure it and see. Yeah, it came to the 786. I don't like that, but it's okay. The other option is that's up, three-wave back, up. Oh, man, I can't tell. But if I pull the fibs like this, man, if Bitcoin goes down, I mean, this might kind of come up tonight and then work its way down here as Bitcoin goes down. And this might be our three-wave move we're looking for ADA. What that'll do is kind of reset the RSI down here and give us that hidden bullish divergence that we'd like to see. Okay, really strong. And we already have a hidden bull now, but there's room for it to continue going down. So we could, totally kind of go up there, down there, boom, like that, and then see what we got going on. Okay, I think it's going to be going up from there. So that would be a way if Bitcoin comes down, okay? Otherwise, if Bitcoin starts pumping up right now, this correction's done, and ADA is probably going to start pumping, okay? From here. But I don't think that's going to happen personally. I think we're going to get more down. Down here is 75 cents. And then, guys, we're going to the moon. That's the moon time. That's when you go to the moon. That's when ADA might start pumping if it gets down here again. It could go up now. It could totally go up now. There is bullish divergence. Okay, I'm not saying it can't. I'm just saying that if Bitcoin goes down, watch 75 cents. Watch even 63 cents. But 75 is a really good level. Watch that. So if Bitcoin goes down, watch 75. Otherwise, it's going to the moon tomorrow or over the next week.
What's he looking for again?
A coupler.
A coupler?
A plumbing fitting.
What?
I'm on live, buddy.
What's it look like?
He knows what he's looking for.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Let's see here. So that's ADA. Let's look at Link now. Then we're going to look at DOT after that. I'm choosing the requests tonight. I saw a couple of requests I might do, but I'm not going to do any crap coins tonight. I hate doing crap coins. I'm doing Link and DOT because they're nice charts. Come join the Discord. I'll do any chart you want. Anytime you ask, I'll get a chit chart. If you're in the Discord. Just saying. Okay. Looks like a one wave on Link. 2. This could be a 1-2-1-2, maybe. But that's a 3-wave move up. It's kind of a big move back. Yeah, okay. Here's what Link is doing. This is cool. Still looks like it's down, but look at Link. This is awesome. We got what's called a leading diagonal here, guys, and this is beautiful. That's a beautiful structure. You want to see a textbook leading diagonal? There it is. That's a leader right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. Okay. Then once that leading diagonal is finished, you're looking for 3 waves back. This is kind of giving me a confirmation that we're probably going down. What's most likely going to happen here on the 6-hour chart is that this is going to kind of come up and make another wave tonight, maybe, or tonight, tomorrow, or whatever, over the next couple of days. We're going to come up and finish that wave, and that's going to be A, B, we're going to get a C wave down. And that's going to come down when Bitcoin comes down as well. So over the next night or two, this is going to maybe come up, make another high, and come back down, okay? Probably. That's the way that's maybe going to work out. Boom. And that'll give you a 3 wave in the middle, like this. And then down we go when Bitcoin comes down. And then once that's done, that's a 1, 2, and then link moons after that. I really like that count. That makes a lot of sense. That looks really good. That really looks really good, guys, to go. Now, how far did this retrace come down? Link didn't even make it to the 50% yet. So yeah, I really, really like the idea of it coming down. And look where that would put us. It would really put us in good shape to get us right here to the golden zone. That's a really nice shape. That makes a lot of sense. So if you're trading Link, take a screenshot of that guy. That's a great setup right there. If you got to move up here, that's a great setup to short Link, and then take it up from there. So that's a really nice chart. Love that chart. Take a screenshot. I'll smile. Okay, there you go. All right. Did I smile in your screenshot? Take a screenshot. Okay. Anyway, all right. That's fun because I'm in the bottom corner of your screenshot. All right. Let's look at DOT now. See what DOT's doing. I thought I had DOT. Oh, there it is. I thought I had DOT on the chart. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that dump. Look at that dump wick, man. All right, let's see what DOT's doing. We had a nice impulse up. The question is, I think we're going to get another wave down, most likely on DOT. Guys, here's the beautiful structure on DOT. Draw this line right here on your chart. 6-hour chart. Draw that line. It is as gorgeous as it can be. Okay, guys, watch DOT and watch and see if it's going to start folding over and cross that line. If it crosses that line, buddy, that is a great long-term short. Or a great short, a 3-wave move. Okay, you can see how it's kind of fizzling out and kind of coming, getting ready to the downside. Yeah, that could really come down. So it could also go up from here, obviously, but draw that trend line. If it starts to kind of ride that trend line and then threaten to go over, boom, that's a really, really nice little short there for a 3-wave move. I'm ignoring the wick. I'm ignoring that right there. And so A, B, and then C down here. I'd be watching the top of this wave right here. Boom. I'd be watching 22. My neighbor is texting me. Let's see what he got.
Does he need help? I can help him.
Okay. So yeah, DOT looks great. All right, here's what I'm going to do, guys. If you made it this long, I'm going to take 5 requests. Not taking any kind of, I'm not taking any, what do you call it? I'm not taking any super chats tonight, unless somebody's already done it and I haven't seen it. So no super chats. 5 requests. The first 5, that's all I'm doing. I've done a bunch of them. I'm going to do 5 requests starting now. BNB, H-bar. BNB, got it. Too stressed. OMG. All right, that's it. Got him. Tell you what I'll do. I'll take a sixth one, the one that everybody says. So the one most requested. So if you see one you want to see, put the one you want, the one that's most requested. I'll do a sixth chart. All right, we're going to start with BNB. I don't have it on my chart. I'm just kind of going fast tonight because I didn't want it to be a long. I'm not stressed. I'm just trying to go quick. And I got a trade working. I want to get back to it. Trading. So. Okay. BNB. Oh, this thing's coming down. That chart's coming down, guys. Best I can see. Draw this line on your chart right here. Draw that line. It's just a gorgeous line. Boom, boom, boom. That's when Bitcoin comes down, and then up we go after that. So that looks like it's going to roll over anytime soon. Yeah, super oversold. Don't have any divergence, but I don't know. I guess if it bounces off this, draw that line. If it bounces off, great. Great. But if it starts to roll over it, man, that might be coming down. Could be a series of 1-2-1-2s, but I don't think so. I imagine it could go up from here, but if it starts rolling down there, watch it. It looks very bearish, but it could be bullish if it goes. So that's a really critical point. We're at a really nice place to watch it. There's technically hidden bull on the chart. That's why you're getting this up move, but yeah. Okay, I see a potential three-wave. If it goes up, it could be this. So up, down. It could do that and then still go down. So it could do this and still go down. So it could roll over now, and I would see that, and that would be fine. Or I could see BNB coming there. Okay? All right. Ben, yeah, I see the deleted. See you, buddy. Take it easy, my man. What a dude. what a guy, man. Go to another channel, man. I mean, when you don't like the channel, flip the channel. It's all right. Just click. It's okay. Homie. All right. So I did BNB. Let's look at H bar. That's the next one. Chemo, could you tally up and see what's my sixth one I'm doing tonight? Is H bar? Oh, okay. That's a. Whoa, Nelly! Look at that guy. Oh, cool chart. Cool chart. So why did that do that? Why did that go up like that? Here's what I know. When things do that, they do that. So whenever you see something like that, watch out for that. Okay. So I don't have enough price history to say whether that, but I would just watch out for maybe this and a retest and then down we go, back down to this region. It's going to probably work its way down like that, all the way back down to here, at least down to there. So careful. So yeah, that's about all I got there. There's not a whole lot of Elliott that's going to help there. But that's a really, that's a huge wave. Okay, after H bar, OMG. OBZ go. That's what I want to do with it. It's 3 waves right there. Sorry, I'm making sure my... Okay. So, 3 waves. This might be coming down, guys. That's what the wave shape looks like to me. Impulse down, getting a 3-wave back, and then a continuation. That's what it looks like from a wave structure standpoint. Daily chart. Wow, that's ugly. You got a 3-wave down right there. And then what's this? Is that a diagonal? If that's a diagonal, that's good news, but I don't think it is. It's got to come up here to make a diagonal. If it's a diagonal, so it's got to come up here and finish the diagonal first, if it is, and which is possible. And then you get a 3-wave back, and then it goes up. Otherwise, this is a 3-wave move. This is a corrective wave, and then it's going down again. So OMG. So you better hope that's a diagonal. So let's see if this wave structure, let's see if it finishes as a diagonal. If it does, it's really good news for you. Okay? If it breaks this line and starts going down, it's not so good. But if it goes up, touches this trend line again, and then comes down and breaks it, that's good news. Okay? So if this comes up and breaks that, then we're looking at A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. And then it comes down for a 3-wave, can't break the low, and then it could go up. So that's your bullish look at OMG. Otherwise, this is just some kind of a 3-wave move, okay? And it's about to start going down again, and that's going to finish a 3-wave move down to the downside. There's nothing in the RSI saying anything worth. There's no RSIs. The RSI is just looks like a triangle, but it's not. It's not a triangle. Draw this bottom line right there, guys. Draw this bottom line. Watch and see if it comes down or if it breaks this top line. If it breaks the top line, it could be a 1-2, 1-2 to the upside. But man, that's ugly. That's 3 waves there. 3 waves. That looks like 5. 3, 5. Or yeah. This could be coming up here and then down. Watch what this thing does on the 2-hour chart. It's a nice chart. Watch that shape right there. See what it does. React to it. Okay. After Mesigo, let's look at ballast. Causality ballast. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then fill. Okay. All right. Ooh. Two-hour chart. We got a 3-wave move. 3 waves down. Looks good. Came to the 127 extension. Now what do we got? The fibs on that guy. We're sitting at the 1414 extension. Man, that wave doesn't look finished, does it? That wave doesn't look finished at all. Two-hour chart, though. There's bearish divergence. 4 hours chart, there's bearish divergence. 1 hour chart, bearish divergence. There's bearish divergence all over that chart, man. Just looks like a 3-wave move that just took out the highs. You probably Jonas, you'd probably look at this wave like that, and then boom, boom, boom like that. Looks like 3 waves. And then what that's going to be is part of a flat, and then we get the 5-wave down move with Bitcoin tonight, tomorrow, something like that. That's the way that looks, man. Bearish divergence, man, on that chart. You might wait for it to break the structure, though. You know what I mean? Wait for the structure to be broken, and then you get confirmation of the short. Unless you're already in it and you're deep underwater. But this wave might not be finished. That wave doesn't look done, but the RSI is up here in 30-minute. So there's room for it to go up a little bit more, but not a ton more. There's ballast. We can talk more in the Discord, buddy. And you can ask your questions. All right, and then after ballast, let's look at FIL. Okay, not a whole lot of price history here on this chart. On the daily chart, you see the bearish divergence on the daily, so looking like we're going to get a correction on the daily at some point soon. You got bearish divergence here, but and this might be part of like the expanded flat that we're talking about with Bitcoin, or it could be part of an impulse that keeps going. So we don't know. It just all depends on what Bitcoin is going to do. Okay, what is Bitcoin going to do? Yeah, they're all going to pretty much follow Bitcoin. That's my belief system, at least. Bitcoin dominance is up right now. So yeah, this looks like 3 waves to the upside on fill right now. It could change, but that looks like 3 waves. Yep, measures correctively in 3 waves. That's a really nice flat if it is a flat. So boom, boom, boom like that. We got a boom, boom, boom like that, and then that would give you that down move flat for the flat, and then maybe up from there. That's the way that looks. For now, that's the way that looks. But there's not a lot of price history there. So I can't say with certainty. I never can be certain, but I can't say with certainty where it's going. That's an interesting chart, though. But not enough price history to tell you anything really definitive. But that's what the wave looks like for now. So watch and see if it continues up. Then let me give you a price target if it continues up. If it continues up, I'd be watch the 1-to-1 at $65. Watch these fibs right here. Take a screenshot of those fibs. Watch these fibs here in that area. Okay? And that would be basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and continue up. Yeah, I mean, it'd probably get up to $100 pretty easy. RSI is not painting that picture, though, right now. The RSI isn't going to let that happen, I don't think. So, I doubt it's going to go up there. But, let's see. Let's see. All right, what is the verdict on the... Okay, Neo and XLM. Hey, Tarmo, you're welcome. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for thanks for the kind comment. I really appreciate it. Doji was the most requested. Yeah, Seth, let me pull the fibs on H bar. I'm sorry I didn't do that for you. Let me pull the fibs. Okay, so what'd you ask for? You said pull the fibs on since 3 cents. Oh, okay, you're looking for an exit, sure. It's a reasonable exit now, man. I'm just saying. It's a reasonable exit now. I mean, you just went to the 2618. Is it going to go to the 3618? I can't say. Whenever they go straight up, nobody knows when they're going to end. There is no bearish divergence here. You don't have to have it, but sure, you might like to see it. So you might just on the 8-hour chart, 6-hour chart, see the 4-hour chart. Looks like you're primed for a down move, and then you might see if there's divergence that sets or not. See if divergence is, you get the down move and then another high, and then maybe the 3618, maybe 54 cents. Bird in hand right now is 43 cents. It's a pretty good little trade there, buddy. So there you go. You might just watch for divergence on the different time frames and see when to take profit. Okay. All right, Doji is it. That's the 6-1. Doji is it. Yeah. This may be working its way back up to here, maybe up into this region, maybe, or this is gonna reject there. What's beautiful about a lot of these charts is you get this little line right here. You get this trend line. Definitely draw that. A break of that might be a signal that it's going to short. It's a good short. So a break of this line right here and a retest might be a great short for you. But chances are it's going to do something like this and come on down. So that's the way I'm seeing that. That's probably the shape you're going to get. And it's going to come back down to this level right here, the top of this wave right there. Back down to 0.01, 0.02. I did Doji really fast. I'm going to randomly pick another one to bless somebody here. Might be a good idea, Zach. Thanks for that idea. Chuck, I already showed a bullish chart earlier. Hey, Virginia Howard, or Virginie Howard, nice, from Belgium. Hello. Shy, no problem, bro. You're welcome. Seth, you're welcome, sir. HL, you're quite welcome. Ryan, glad to do an OMG. No problem. All right, I saw somebody ask for VET earlier, so let me do VET. And then this is the last chart for tonight, guys. What I'll do after this, I'll take a look at Ethereum one more time and Bitcoin just to see what the wave's doing. What a chart. Bearish divergence right away. I see it on the 8-hour chart. Nice bearish divergence here. Might have a little bit more upside, but looks like it's about finished. Then boom. Okay. Looking about finished on the 8-hour. Looking about cooked. But I can, this triple divergence right here. Okay. So watch out for imminent down move sometime soon on VET. Now I don't know how far it's going to go down. It's just there's a down move that the RSI is going to reset on the 6-hour chart. Once that RSI resets, up we go again. So that's a bullish chart right there for you. But I need this thing to come on down. This isn't. I mean, Bitcoin. That's a nice 3-wave move right there, and then this is extended. So looks like it needs to come down. I don't know how deep it's going to come. Could come back down here, and give you this right here. Boom, 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 and then up. So there's VET. Guys, I hope you enjoyed Sunday night charts. Tried to get through it as quick as I could. Some people said it's too long, boring. So I hope you guys liked it. Hope you enjoyed being here tonight. Thanks for being around. I really, really enjoyed being around you. So, let me look at the weekly chart for BTC. I don't ever look at the weekly. Yeah, the weekly. Do you really... And that's one of the reasons why I'm thinking, do you really think this is just going to keep on going straight up forever and ever? No. This has gotten out of control here. It needs to come down and correct. Needs to come down and correct. So that's my take on it. That is my take on it. There is bearish divergence on the weekly. So. Nice bearish divergence there on the weekly. Very overbought. If you think this thing's going to keep on going up forever, I think you got another kind coming. Could go up and touch that trend line again, but probably not. It could. 72, 65, yeah. We'll see what happens. I'm looking for this. And then that'll give this thing a chance to reset. Maybe. Get a red weekly candle. And go up one more time and then down. The weekly's scary because it looks like it needs some more downside to go. It needs to reset. At least sideways. All right, let's look at Ethereum small time frame. What's it doing? Yeah, this looks like a finished move here. I'm not really buying that candle right now. We'll see. Could be the end of a 5-wave move. Getting another move back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 back. And then like that. So, I mean, that could happen. And then coming, it's going to take into the wee hours of the morning to get there. But it could totally, into the wee hours of the morning, get there, and then start breaking to the upside for the third wave tomorrow, maybe. Somebody told me there's a CME gap at 58.2 on Bitcoin, so whether it goes and fill that or not, it doesn't matter. I don't trade gaps, but it could go. All right, guys, enjoyed being with you. You guys have a great night. Thanks again. I don't have time to do any more. I'm Ken, I didn't ignore you. What I'm sorry, man. It's a big chat. 100. Sorry. What did I miss, Ken? XLM. All right, I'm gonna whip it out really fast for you, Ken. It's because you put the pouty face there. Hope you're still around. It's just like the ADA chart. Draw that trend line. If we break out a structure, got one more wave down. If we break that trend, we got one more wave. Boom, boom, boom. And then maybe moon after that. If we bounce tonight off of it, that'd be fantastic for you, and that'll continue going up. That's just a real quick look at XLM. The wave structure, I'm expecting a third wave down in Bitcoin. So like right here, boom, 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 right there. So we got 1, 2. I'm looking for this to start finishing. A, B, C. And then up. That's what I'd like to see. That would make sense. That would make sense of this wave structure. Okay? All right. There we go, guys. Y'all have a fantastic evening. Hope you caught that. I hope you caught that, Ken. I didn't ignore you, by the way. I just can't read every comment. I do my best. Till the next time, Johnny English. Boom, boom, boom. Talk to you guys later. Good night, guys.